Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got another very good product to check out. This is the WORKPRO 21 cubic feet rooftop cargo bag carrier. This was sent to me by WORKPRO for free to test out, so I'm going to be installing it on my Mazda 5 to see how it fits. But before that, as usual, let's do a quick unboxing to see what we got. Right? I already opened it, but it's double box, so I always appreciate the double box. It means like it's protected during shipping. And oops, I opened it upside down. So I'm just gonna show you guys here. Since I opened it upside down anyway, so let's go this. And this is how small it is. And we got, I don't know what is that, but so well, so are the tools. They have like lots of products. Again, go check their website. You're gonna be kind of overwhelmed what kind of products they carry. Well, I like this hunting knife. This one down here, and it also comes with the anti-slip mat. That is really good. Put this box away. Oops. And this is the instruction how to install it. Just gonna put this away. Okay, so I guess, oops. Yeah, so we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one is going to the gutter, so you guys can see. There. So we have like 5. Oh, actually I dropped one. Actually we have 6 of the strap. Okay, so we have 2 of this long strap. Like that, it has a carrying case. Oops. So I like the color as well. So this is the bottom, then that is gonna be the top. Yeah, so I would believe that this is the, oops, I don't know where's the front. The front's supposed to be the one with the name on it. I believe, yeah, that's the front. Here, see, the strap is really, yeah, it's a really heavy duty. I like that, and the buckles are big, and the material itself is really thick, and it's really welded properly right there. And the zipper, oops, okay, so there's a Velcro here. There's also a zipper. And the zipper is already waterproof, but they put that overhang to cover the zipper as well. That is really gonna keep the water out. Just wondering is where is the zipper? Okay, it's quite heavy actually. You can tell that it's very thick material, so it goes all around. There you go. The zipper is here, and let's open it a little bit wide. I'm also curious to see the inside. Wow, this is really very good material. Alright, so that's how it is. Even the bottom is very thick. Definitely this is gonna keep the water away. So again, you guys can see the seam right there. The way they welded it is just like paddleboard, just thinner than paddleboard for sure, but yeah, that's amazing. Right, so let's go ahead and try it on my out on my Mazda 5 and see how it fits. And this is a very good alternative and option if you don't have a roof rack in your car, because again, this one does not require a roof rack. And plus, if you don't want to spend $500 for a hard shell like the one that I have, also if you don't have like storage for it, this one you can just like after use it, you can just fold it, put it back in the bag, and then you can just, you know, toss it in your trunk. It's not gonna occupy lots of space. As you guys can see, because I've had this mounted on my Mazda for quite a long time, mostly because really I don't have much storage space for it at home. Over time, the finish started to fade and crack and wear out from being exposed to the weather, especially, you know, like during summer. And honestly, with the gas prices these days, you don't really want to keep extra weight on your car when you're not using it. That's the reason why this rooftop cargo bag is a better option. It's a lot easier to remove and store away when you don't need it. Make sure like all the straps are buckled up like here, otherwise they're gonna go underneath. Make sure that the front and the back, you know, strap are buckled so that it won't go underneath. And as you guys can see here that I am installing it with a crossbar, but I don't have the roof rack. Actually, it's good because it's gonna go in the corner, so that's going to support the bag, you know, from moving around. Again, it comes with anti-slip mat, so you can use that as well, not only like to prevent it from sliding side to side or back and forth, but also it's gonna protect the finish of your car. It can actually go under the crossbar and then buckle it up again, and that is going to be more secure, right? So that's not gonna go anywhere right there. So that's one advantage of having a crossbar, right? So this is really easy to install. So yes, there. Just like that, and then right, so just like that, then we can adjust it later. Sliding door, my Mazda is different. You got something here, so I'm gonna hook it up here instead. Right, so just like that, and then put it back on. So just like that, instead of going here. Another one, same thing. Because I got a sliding door, instead of using this here, I use this on the top, and then can close the door. So that is holding really well. Right, so let me do the other side and then we'll see how it looks like. Right, so this is how it looks like installed empty, and that's the WORKPRO brand on the front. I like the combination of the blue and the gray color. It's really like visible. Right, so I got two paddleboard. I'm going to try to fit them inside, and but just be mindful how much weight you are putting on the roof of your car. Depends what kind of car you have, especially if you don't have the roof basket or a roof rack. Well, if you have a panoramic sunroof in your car, just like my truck, I wouldn't use this type of a cargo bag carrier because you don't want to put weight on that, you know, glass of your panoramic sunroof. So let's load this up. So I loaded 2 paddle boards and filled it up with anything I could find. But the lighter items so you don't put too much weight on the roof of your car. The heavier stuff, I would put it in the trunk instead. The size is almost perfect on my Mazda 5, but it is a little wide, so just be careful when closing the doors. If you have an SUV, this would be perfect. Carrier, again, they are expensive. Would I trust this for long road trips? Yes, definitely, especially if it's packed properly and secured tightly. Plus, this one is made of thick PVC compared to the typical cargo bags that use standard fabric or polyester, so the WORKPRO is definitely more waterproof. Before I end this video, I want to show you guys one more thing. If you have a pickup truck but you don't have a tonneau cover like mine is a fiberglass, so it's really waterproof. Or if you only have a folding tonneau cover, those are usually not completely waterproof. I know that because I had 2 folding tonneau covers before, and during rainy season, especially in the winter time, water can still get into the truck bed. Or if you just have an open bed with no cover at all, a cargo bag like this is also a really good option to help secure your belongings during a road trip. But again, you have to make sure that the cargo bag is actually waterproof, made of PVC instead of polyester, just like this WORKPRO, so your stuff doesn't get wet. Right, so that is the WORKPRO 21 cubic foot rooftop cargo bag. If you're interested, I will leave the link in the description below. And if you found this video useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.